Hi everyone, introducing the customer note on a website order module allowing a customer to add a notes while placing order for a better communication and services. These notes appear in order details, invoices and delivery reports ensuring a seamless experience. Let's see it in action. Now after installing this module, let's get into the website, getting into the shop and placing an order for a product. Let's place an order for this office chair, and here I make a quantity as 5 and adding the product into the cart. So while adding the product into the cart, let's get into the cart. Let's do the checkout over here. Now in this page we can see in customer note. So here we can add a customer note. So once we have added a customer note, let's click on the pay now option which is available here. So once you have click on the pay now option, it will directly lead you to the page where it will show a sales order. Now let's get into the backend. From here we can get into the orders. So let's remove the filter and you can see that the one which we have created will be the first 145 order number. So the order will be placed over here. So in the same order, you can see the customer note over here in the sales tab. Like the same way, if you print a quotation, you can see the same over there in the quotations too. Now let's print the quotation where you can see the customer note. Like the same way, let's confirm the order and you can see the delivery notes will be created. In the delivery itself, you can see the customer note. And also if I try to print a pinking slip, delivery slip, return slip, in each and every slip, we can see a customer note is available. So let's print the delivery slip as of now. You can see the customer note. Now let's check the availability and we can validate it from here itself. Now let's do an validation. Let's validate this and let's create an invoice from here by using this create invoice option, and we can see we are in the invoice page. So here in this tab itself you can see the customer note. Now if I try to print an invoice, you can see the same customer note is available in the invoices too. You can see the same over there in the invoices. So this is how this module works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more order related updates. Thanks for watching.